welcome to my channel, u.s.a.
Our sixth president was
John Quincy Adams.
served in 1825 through 1829. His birthplace was in Massachusetts. Born on July 11, 1767, and died on February 3, 1848. His party was Democratic Republican. He was known as the abolitionist. His wife's name was Louisa.
Did you know he was the first president? Had this picture taken 1843. He was the son of President John Adams.
Our seventh president was
Andrew Jackson.
served on 1839 through 1837. Was born on Waxhawks between North and South Carolina. Born on March 15, 1767, died on June 8, 1845. His party was Democratic. He was known as Old Hickory. His wife's name was Raquel.
Did you know he was the first president to ride in a train? The only president in American history pay off the natural debt and leave the office with the country in the back.
Our eighth president was
Martin Van Buren.
served on 1837 through 1841. His birthplace was in New York. Born on December 5, 1782, and died on July 24, 1862. His party was Democratic. He was known as the Little Magician. His wife's name was Hannah.
Did you know how the pet tigers? The first president born American citizen, all others were born in the colonies. Only president to speak English, second language, first language was Dutch.
Our ninth president was
William Henry Harrison.
and served from 1841 through 1841. His birthplace was in Virginia, born February 9, 1773, and died on April 4, 1841. His party was Whig. His nickname was Old Tippecanoe. His wife's name was Anna.
Did you know the president only 31 days died up and out? He had to study to become a doctor.
Our 10th president was,
John Tyler.
and he served from 1841 through 1845. He was born in New York, born on March 29, 1790, died on January 18, 1862. His party was Whig and known as His Excellency. His wife's name was Letitia.
Did you know Tyler was the first vice president to ask me an officer after their death from the president office? He had 50 children. Please like and share.